As we review our most recent indicators in the US market, everyone, we saw Skywork rising nearly 6% this week, but then it gave back some gains. Most of it as the market is on a more upward trend. Intel was the week's gift for those who invested. More than 180% in this 20% increase in the stock, right everyone? There's no more time to lose money. The trailing stop should be activated. From now on, we also have PKG in its 5th week of trading with a 2% increase. American Airlines has shown some movement, everyone, in this 3rd week, right? Gaining over 6%, it was time to adjust the trailing stop. Given a bit more than 40% on the options, but it has given everything back, folks. It's not possible to keep going for those in the stock. We can't keep going with it, alright? Biotres experienced the largest movement of 8% over 3 weeks. Now also making this correction. FedEx correction, folks, for those still in. We are still observing. The stock has nearly returned to the entry point after a correction of 2, 4, 6, 8 or even 9 weeks, alright? GM is not stopping its value increase. The options we chose have already, they are expired, and it even increased by 15% for those who are in the stock. Google as well, its options have already expired. Right now, it's 38% for those who held on to the stock. GPC shows good upward movement. We are still watching, but there are no opportunities. Amazon has won here, right? We noted that, look. This last little leg here, look. At the entry levels of 2, 8, 10, 20, 13 and 19, also with options. It hit here just a little, right, in this options operation. Net is flying like a rocket, and its options are expired too. And that's it. We don't have any new opportunities. In the purchase, and what we indicated last week on the selling side, was that Elanova, right? It basically fell by just 1%, folks. We are still positioned, right? We are currently working on our stop, okay? So we still have a bearish outlook for the company. According to the DRI stock, we know that sales in the American market are very challenging for us, right? This year, I think 80% of the stops we took were during bearish movements. So we see a strong market, but we will respect the signals. DRI also provided an opportunity for growth. Currently at a low of 1.84% in relation to the operation. RSG this week reached 2.89% here, still very small, right? May, folks, this one is also at the entry point. It hasn't hit a favorable profit range yet, but CL has allowed us to adjust the trailing stop, right? Essentially reach 5.5% over 2, 4, 6 and 8 weeks, and that's our status, alright? These are the operations we are still tracking on both the selling and buying sides, along with the 2 new ones posted on the platform. Is DVN, where we have the possibility to buy an option or enter the stock with a risk of $5 in the stock or $194 in the option. And Halibur also an opportunity to purchase an option at 1.25 or stock at 25.11, risking $4 in the stock and $125 in the option. These are our 2 new opportunities. Any questions this week? We are here in the group. Take care, everyone. Hugs. Bye.